Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Snowflake Worksheets for ad hoc analysis, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Snowflake Worksheets for ad hoc analysis, first, log into your Snowflake account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Snowflake user interface. On the left sidebar, locate and click on the Worksheets option. You will see a button labeled Plus Worksheet at the top of the page. Click on this button to create a new worksheet. A blank worksheet will appear in the main section of your screen. Here, you can begin to write your SQL queries. If you have existing queries, you can load them from saved worksheets by selecting the appropriate one from the sidebar. To run a query, type it into the worksheet and then click on the Run button at the top. The results will display in the Output section below the worksheet. To analyze data more efficiently, utilize the built-in formatting tools available on the toolbar. You can save your worksheet by clicking the Save icon, ensuring your work is not lost. For organization, consider naming your worksheet descriptively to easily recall its purpose later. Remember that sharing your worksheets is possible by using the Share button. This allows other team members to view and collaborate on your analysis. You can also adjust the settings within the worksheet to customize your experience. Explore the options in the toolbar to discover helpful features like setting the default role or warehouse. As you become more familiar with Snowflake Worksheets, experiment with different keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow. Familiarize yourself with the resource panel to access documentation and additional tools. Utilizing these features will enhance your ad hoc analysis capabilities using Snowflake Worksheets. Keep practicing to improve your SQL skills and leverage Snowflake's powerful capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.